Vagary. 122, Season 9, April 14th, 2018, Saturday.
No.
They have Tracer, they have Mercy, they have Ana. They lost one, be safe, just be safe. Stay together, just stay together. Our Sombra's down, 5 on 5 there, Winston's down. They use their res is on CD. They kill their Tracer, good kill. Two kills. We lost one. 5 on 4 in the front, 5 on 4, we have numbers, we're up numbers. Their Mercy's low, their Mercy's down, their Hog is down. Good kills. Hog down, Hog hack. Good job. Ana. Winston top. Hog hacked. Three ults in the pocket. We have 3 ults. Good shot. Good charge. Mercy hacked. Cannot res. EMP. Got 3. Good ult. We can win this. Tracer user recall. No recall Tracer. No recall Tracer if you can aim. Good kill, Salad. Only 1 minute. Good holds, guys. Good holds. I'm playing poorly. I'm our worst sleep right now. Everyone else doing great. Got their Tracer. Big kill.
They're going top. You guys should get out of there, dude.
Mercy hacked. Winnable engagement, very winnable. 3 kills. Ten seconds. Very winnable. Tracer lit. Tracer what? Weak. Retreating.
She's gone.
She's by the statue. She's still red. Good job. No ticks? Did they get any?
I don't believe so.
If they got no tanks, I think no ticks. I think we should go 3 tanks through the left side. Yeah, 1 tick we only need. Let's go deep left. We're really tanky. Just be aggressive. Push up, take space. Our Rhine will be like shield hopping. So I'll shield, hop forward, release, repeat. Man, sorry about that. I didn't even know my at all time my speakers were on. Probably 2 games. Can you please speed boost us through the choke once we get up the stairs? Everyone deep left right here, please. Okay, there's the giant drunk rat. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Take point, take point, take point.
The Bastion. JK, haha.
2 kills, 2 kills, 2 kills. Big, 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 big. The Mercy's dead. Trickle back, trickle back. Hey, go soldier to trickle back. Anybody, Harambe, Harambe, please. Soldier to trickle back. You'll be faster. Actually, Doomfist can get speed. We have 2 ults. Junk low, junk 1. Junk dead. 2 kills, 2 kills. Winnable engagement, very winnable. Maybe throw your self-destruct, bro. Orisa 1. Diva, Diva, everyone Diva, everyone Diva, everyone Diva. Baby Diva, baby Diva. Easy win, easy win. Good job, guys. I like it. 1.22. Season 9. Good squad. I was sucking at Sombra. That's new. I like that. 1.22 season 9, April 14, 2018. Sloppy Vagor. Saturday. I wonder if Salad added me just because of the comms. Either added me because of the comms or because he didn't like that I was not playing well. Either way, I don't know. My team worked well. My team was good. I need to add more of these guys. Even though no one said. That's what gives me hesitance to add those people. Is that nobody said anything. Harambe and Puppy World and Wasabi. Let me see what their spreads are like. Harambe, Puppy World, Wasabi. Harambe. No, Puppy World, I don't have DPSs. Just they have mics and they talk and they get good comms. Our competitive good. No, I have Puppy World, see if he has me. And then Wasabi. Horman. Flatman. Okay, takeaways. Why was my Sombring bad? That Tracer was doing me in. Just honestly, I think with Sombra is like I feel like she's viable for a lot of maps. She's viable, but she might not be the best, and I still don't know who the best is for each map. And her playstyle is what I prefer the most, just to be able to be anywhere on the map at any given time, be able to go do assassinations with no contest, because you can completely, stealth your way back to the back line of your opponent. So I just got to get away from the Sombra play. I know it, but at the same time, especially since they just buffed her, I'm conflicted, and I'm like, I don't know, maybe I can make her work. Every game, I'm like, maybe I can make her work. I don't know. So yeah, that's that. We'll see what happens. I feel a compulsion. 1.22 season 9, April 14, 2018. Saturday, Low Vegas in transmission.